Welcome. In this video I will show you how to set up Windows Hello features on your HP Spectre x360. To do that, let's open the Start menu and go to Settings. Here in Settings you have to go to the Accounts on the sidebar and then scroll down to Sign In Options. And the Windows Hello features that we have here are facial recognition and fingerprint recognition. To set up facial recognition, select the first option, then click Setup. Then you're gonna have to tap Get Started and enter your PIN code. And after that, face your camera directly so that you can see your face clearly in it. Now to unlock your device using your face, you have to simply select a face unlock option during the lock screen. And if you want to set up fingerprint recognition, you have to select this option, click Setup, Get Started, enter your PIN code once again, and then place your finger on the fingerprint sensor that is located to the right from the right Alt button. And then just press this fingerprint sensor with different angles of your fingertip. Click Close. And now we can lock the screen and then just press the fingerprint sensor to unlock it. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If it helped you, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.